So my Nitro VE boat motor is frozen. This has probably been in the top of my closet for about 5 or 6 years, and the motor is currently froze. So I'm going to show you an easy tip of how to get it unfrozen. So you first take off the glow plug wire. And for this motor, Nitro VE, the 1.15cc engine uses a 5/16 to get the glow plug out. And there we are. Glow plug hasn't been out in about 5 or 6 years, and just spray some PB Blaster and the hole where the glow plug came out from, and let it sit overnight. We'll come back tomorrow and see if the engine is unfrozen. So I reinstalled the glow plug after letting the PB Blaster sit overnight, and let's see if the engine turns. And there it goes. Alright, now just to get some nitro fuel. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment or subscribe. Thank you.